If you're new to sewing, you may be wondering what an overlocker is and whether you need one. An overlocker is a machine that sews and finishes the edges of fabric at the same time. It's a handy tool to have if you do a lot of sewing, and it can make your projects look more professional. In today's video, I'll talk about the 5 best overlocker for beginners on the market available right now. I have added all the links in the description box below. Check them out and please consider to subscribe our channel. So without further ado, let's get started. The Singer 14T968C is a hybrid overlock and cover stitch machine that can produce stitches with up to 5 threads for a wide range of stitch combinations, including chain stitch and a few additional cover stitch choices. If what you want is the chance to experiment, this machine is for you. It has so many options that you'll have to take some time to decide which stitch to use. A few feet are included in the bundle, including an elastic foot for use on swimwear or undergarments, a beading foot for adding embellishments to your clothing, and a shirring foot for gathering one flat fabric while fastening it to another. As a final point, allow me to emphasize how well constructed and wonderfully quiet this machine is, as well as how consistently immaculate the stitches are. It has an auto tension dial and an extra high clearance for the presser foot, making it simple to use on bulky materials while maintaining the right thread tension with little effort. The Brother M343D Overlocker machine is a very user-friendly tool that is simple to use and pick up. With 1,300 stitches per minute of sewing speed, the Overlock machine is outstanding. The machine also incorporates color-coded threading that makes it simple to thread and get to work. You can use this machine, a simple mechanical model with a lot of functionality, for your projects. You may lessen the noise by putting an overlock pad underneath it in terms of volume. Additionally, the Overlock machine includes a differential feed feature that enables you to produce stitches of expert quality. The machine is made to be fairly durable and is capable of working with a variety of textiles and materials. Additionally, the machine has an LED light, which is renowned for providing outstanding brightness when operating. The machine also offers 3 or 4 overlock stitches, which are recognized for providing even, high-quality stitches. Presser feet that will enable you to accomplish the piping, blind hem, pin-tuck stitches, and gathering can also be purchased separately. The stitch length and width can be changed to suit your preferences. If you're seeking for a 4-thread overlock that can handle heavy-duty fabrics, the JUKI MO654D Overlocker is the machine for you because it has the strength of a commercial overlock for a very affordable price. The knife cutter can cut through thick cloth like butter, as you'll discover. Once you learn how to do it, using standard needles for both thin and thick fabrics is simple and effective. Additionally, you'll see that the professional-grade stitches give your designs a high-end appearance and that it handles curves rather well. You would discover that this brand outperforms the competition if you had ever owned another brand. Beginners who are prepared to invest the time to learn how to utilize it should also consider this option. A very good alternative for an overlock sewing machine that is basic but effective without losing speed. Last but not least, be aware that this model contains suction cups as well to aid in the system's resistance to stress, making it more stable and quieter while also improving the precision and caliber of the stitches. This overlocking machine is yet another user-friendly design. This overlocker is simpler to use and learn to use than other overlockers. It is simple to thread the machine because of its color-coded threading. You won't need to be concerned about threading issues thanks to this fantastic feature. Additionally, the Overlock machine has a metal body frame, which is renowned to give the design strength and durability. This is why working with the same won't subject you to any noise or vibration. Please be aware that this overlock machine is entirely manual and lacks any automatic capabilities. The device includes numerous time-saving functions as well, which is a great plus. The free arm function on this overlock machine is especially helpful for sewing circular items like hems, cuffs, collars, sleeves, or pants. The machine also offers a differential feed capability that will enable you to tailor your projects at the same time. An instructional DVD that comes with the device makes it quite simple to learn how to use it. The housing of the Janome Mod 8933 opens up, making the entire thread path accessible. This makes the machine incredibly reachable for cleaning and oiling activities as well, which is a huge advantage. This promotes safety, especially for beginners who are new to overlock threading and are less familiar with all of its components. Its retractable upper knife enables you to work on projects that don't necessarily require fabric cutting. This machine, like some others, has rubber feet to help it stay put when overlocking and producing a neat, even stitch. This model's dial placement on the right side of the device makes it particularly practical for right-handed folks, which is another intriguing detail. Furthermore, you should be aware that this sturdy model can readily handle thick fabrics like tweed, denim, coated, and others as long as you consistently check and reset the tension adjustment before changing materials. You'll be shocked at how quickly this overlock machine can switch to a rolled hem stitch without moving the foot, allowing you to make lettuce edge hems and sleeves without adjusting the tension dial. It may also gather by altering machine parameters like stitch length, presser foot pressure, tension, and feed dog with the same standard foot. Janome Mod 8933 can also do narrow hem and peacoat hem stitches. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.